Good morning, Montreal, and thanks for tuning in. No matter where you're watching from this morning, we appreciate it, friends. Get ready for it. The long weekend is fast approaching. A lot of you mamas out there are probably stressed to the max trying to prepare. Here with tips to help survive the long weekend are moms of 7 and best friends. You know them, you love them. Kat and Nat from their car, which is where we love seeing them. Good morning.
It's our only safe place. We have to be in the car, you know? It's the only place we will not be interrupted.
And sometimes the kids are out at the window knocking and we're like,
nope, this is your quiet time. Kat, are you in the driver's seat all the time? Like, does Nat ever get to drive? Nat, you never get to. Okay, fine. Well,
but by the way, we have matching cars, so we're very cute.
You're both in the driver's seat when it comes to long weekend hacks because it's too stressful. You're supposed to get rest, and sometimes it becomes too daunting. So let's get into the first one. You say your first hack is to skip the grocery store and order online.
Well, first of all, we have 4 days off with these people. And if you know how much kids eat, they don't stop eating. So we have a really amazing hack for y'all, and it's brand new. There is now Walmart.ca express grocery delivery service, and you can have items delivered right to your door in just 2 hours. And there are no hidden fees. It's $12.97. And I'm telling you, it is the best hack because you get what you need at your door.
And because it's such a great hack, they were kind enough to give us a code Kat and Nat 60 to save $15 off your first 4 orders for new customers of $75 or more. Just go to walmart.ca/grocery promo. You're welcome.
And you don't have to leave your house.
Yay! And every little bit helps when it comes to saving. Okay, hack number 2. I love that. You say make your life easier. Buy as much pre-made as you can because you don't want to spend the whole time in the kitchen. You want to bond and talk to one another and get outside and play and all that.
And snacks, they just eat snacks anyways. I don't know why we waste so much time in preparing all these big meals because when it comes down to it, they just graze. I don't like, you know, yogurts and goldfish can be a meal. We gotta let go of this pressure of putting so much on one meal because if you have a lot of children in your house, everybody knows it is the most stressful time to try to get them to eat. Well, you're a chef.
I mean, I guess I'm a chef, but like honestly, charcuterie boards, like and crudité, like that takes a lot of work to peel the carrots. Someone can do it for you.
What she's saying is like vegetables on a platter. If you don't know this, crudité, it's vegetables and fruit on a plate.
Yeah, but it's delicious, but it takes a lot of work, so get someone else to do it.
It's true. This stuff never goes bad. It doesn't brown, and it lasts for hours and hours, if not days and days, right? We're not judging because I love that. I love a snack buffet. You also say the more the merrier. So we just created a little fun acronym, BYOBF. Bring your own best friend, baby. Adults, too.
Yes. No, because like when Kat and I, you know, we spend our weekends together and we invite people over together, but we don't want the kids surrounding us because we are having a nice glass of wine and we would like to finish a conversation. So each of your friends and family, bring your people so you can entertain yourselves so that we don't end up having to chat with children all weekend long.
And make sure that like this is for toilet trained friends only. Like they have to be, you know, toilet trained friends. If you're dealing with under the ones who are toilet trained, make sure they bring the parent along so you're not dealing with the toilet training for them.
Yes, this is not for us.
No.
Final question. Nat, are you like a great backseat driver or like are you just controlling the radio? Like how does this all work?
Let me tell you, I sit in this passenger seat. I keep my mouth shut. And when Kat's ready to take a U-turn, she says, hold on, Natalie.
Yeah, I get prepared. I'm like, we're going to go. Get ready.
I just close my eyes and hope for the best.
You're both amazing. Thank you for taking time out. As always, you're incredible. For more information, everybody, follow them on Instagram at Kat and Nat, because that's where the mom hacks are at. Love to you both. Safe travels and happy long weekend.
Bye.
Love to your little ones, too. All right, lots more BT to come, everybody.